I am frustrated with the situation, and I probably do.
Okay, I'm here in Michigan, and I just want to take you on another little snow tour. So here we go. It's really a blizzard out here today. There's me. Okay, I want you to check this out. That last snow video I did was kind of lightweight compared to this. Alright, let's see if we focus in on it. We open the door. I can't take my camera outside because it's snowing too bad. Check it out. Check it out. I'm glad I'm off work today because it's really bad. I don't know if you can see how hard it's snowing out here. Okay, let me step out just for a second. Yeah. People are snow blowing everywhere. Okay, let's go through the house. I'm going to take you to the backyard. Whiteout conditions, that's what they call it. This is the backyard. It's really pretty out here though. Oh my. Check. I don't know. There's a foot of snow on the ground at least. The blue spruces are really pretty here, especially with snow on them. Okay, I'll step out for a second. Hey! You can hear the snowblower in the background, I bet. Okay, I'm going back in. I'll show you out the garage. Okay, here we go. I don't know if you can pick up how hard it's snowing, but it is snowing hard. It sure is pretty though. There goes a car. Okay, I've got to come in and close the garage door because it's snowing into the garage. Okay, here we go. Okay, there's another snow video. I know my videos are kind of boring, but I'm stuck in the house today, and so I thought I would give y'all an idea of what it's like. It's February the 6th, 2008, and we're having a extremely hard weather day. Now I know down south they had really bad tornadoes yesterday, and I'm real sorry about that, and for all the lives lost and people injured. But I just wanted to give you an idea of what it's like up here in the north. Okay. That's about it for now. I'll see y'all later.